Artificial intelligence is rapidly advancing, and with it comes a massive shift in the global job market. Many are asking, how many jobs will AI truly replace? In this video, we'll break down the projections for job displacement by 2030, examining which sectors are most at risk and what new opportunities will emerge. The current generation of AI, particularly generative AI and advanced automation, is capable of tasks once thought exclusive to humans, accelerating the pace of change across all industries. Experts predict that by 2030, tens of millions of jobs worldwide could be replaced or significantly altered by AI, leading to a massive economic and social restructuring. The initial wave of job displacement will predominantly target repetitive, low-skill tasks that can be easily automated, offering significant cost savings for businesses. Manufacturing and logistics are already seeing heavy use of robotic process automation. AI-powered robots are increasing efficiency in production lines, warehouses, and even long-haul trucking, reducing the need for human labor. Data entry, basic administration, and call center positions are highly susceptible to AI. Generative AI chatbots can now handle customer inquiries and administrative tasks with little to no human intervention. The current generation of AI is also impacting highly skilled white-collar professions, challenging the notion that only manual labor is at risk. Automation in accounting and financial analysis allows AI to process vast data sets, identify trends, and automate report generation, displacing roles focused on routine calculations and data review. In the legal sector, AI is transforming legal research and document review. AI algorithms can sift through thousands of documents in minutes, performing tasks that used to take human paralegals weeks. Creative fields aren't immune. The rise of AI content generation means routine writing, translation, and basic graphic design can be done quickly and cheaply by a machine. While AI replaces existing jobs, it also generates entirely new categories of work that require unique human skills and technical expertise. The increasing complexity of AI systems creates demand for developers, data scientists, AI ethicists, and maintenance engineers to build, manage, and regulate these powerful tools. Jobs requiring complex problem-solving, human creativity, empathy, and emotional intelligence, like therapists, artists, and strategic leaders, are likely to be amplified, not replaced, by AI. Given the inevitability of this transformation, preparation is crucial for individuals, businesses, and governments. For workers, focusing on upskilling and reskilling in areas complementary to AI, such as critical thinking, digital literacy, and collaboration with AI systems, will be essential for career longevity. Policymakers must consider new economic models and social safety nets to manage mass job displacement and ensure the benefits of AI are shared broadly across society. The transition will be challenging, but it represents an opportunity to shift human focus from repetitive labor to higher-value creative and strategic work. Acknowledging the scale of technological unemployment is the first step toward effective mitigation and adaptation strategies, ensuring a more humane transition. The AI-driven job market demands lifelong learning and flexibility. Navigate this future by staying informed, adapting your skills, and embracing collaboration with intelligent machines.